Let's go, everyone. Today, super special unboxing. I've always wanted these. Always wanted one of these for a long time, like over a decade. And this is a Bathing Ape BAPE t-shirt. So this is in color green, size medium. Check out the bag. Ape shall never kill ape. Good advice. This bag's not a toy. Good font. Nice looking bag. So I have wanted one of these ever since I was in high school. And today's the day where I finally unbox one. Wow. Wow. BAPE, a bathing ape, size medium. Ooh. Wow. So, first impressions, quality is really nice. It does feel, ooh, look at the paper they have. Even the little paper is BAPE logo-y. But yeah, this is what the shirt looks like. It's green. I got a funky, fresh print and color for summer. So, you know, it's like BAPE on the beach. This is dope. This is dope. Yeah, but yeah, quality does feel good, and not just because it's an expensive shirt, but it really does feel good. So yeah, let me know what you think of this shirt in the comment section, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you all next time. Later.